Hey everyone! If you're looking for the best MEXC referral code, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll show you how to use the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 to unlock exclusive bonuses and get started on one of the top crypto exchanges. Whether you're searching for a MEXC promo code, MEXC sign-up code, or MEXC bonus code, this is all you need. Using the referral code. It's easy. 1. Click the link in the description. This takes you directly to the MEXC sign-up page. 2. Automatic code. Application. The MEXC referral code 12K4M5 will automatically be applied during sign-up. If not, simply copy and paste it from the video description. 3. Create your account. Enter your details, complete the security check, and you're good to go. MEXC offers a generous sign-up and welcome bonus package for new users, along with trading fee discounts. Sign-up. Bonus. New users can receive up to 100 USDT as a sign-up bonus. This bonus is typically divided into various tasks and milestones, such as completing KYC, Know Your Customer verification, making an initial deposit, and reaching certain trading volumes. The exact bonus amount depends on the specific tasks you complete. Trading fee discount. Enjoy trading fee discounts of up to 10% or more, depending on the current promotion. This discount applies to both spot and futures trading, helping you save on transaction costs while trading on the platform. MEXC is a popular exchange with a wide range of cryptocurrencies, spot and futures trading, and a user-friendly interface. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC has everything you need to succeed. Don't miss out on these exclusive bonuses. Click the link below, sign up with the MEXC referral code 12K4M5 and start trading today. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!